Hey everyone, welcome back. There's a new game making waves right now called Frost Kingdom, the first Web3 SLG on the cross platform. It combines classic kingdom strategy with merge mechanics, and pre-registration is already open. In this video, I'll give you a quick breakdown of the game, how the Merge X SLG system work, and exactly how to pre-register and earn rewards through the invite system. So, let's get into it. Frost Kingdom is a medieval strategy game set in a frozen kingdom. You build your empire, manage resources, form alliances, and fight in large-scale PvP wars. So what makes it different is the Merge X SLG system. Instead of the usual slow and complicated upgrades you see in most strategy games, Frost Kingdom uses merge mechanics. You can merge buildings and troops to grow much faster. The game has over 100 types of units and a 4-tier hero system, but the merge system makes progression feel cleaner and more addictive. It still has all the deep strategy elements, economy, alliances, and big battles, but the growth feels faster and more satisfying. If you like games like Rise of Kingdoms but want something with a fresher twist, this one is worth watching. Pre-registration is super simple and takes less than a minute. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Go to the official site, frostkingdom.cross.nexus. So I link the website on the description below. Step 2. Click pre-register now and it will take you to the form. Step 3. Enter your email. Step 4. Select your platform, either Android, iOS, or you can select both. Step 5 is to submit. Then that's it, you're registered. After you register, you'll get a confirmation and your personal invite link, which we will talk about next. Frost Kingdom has a strong invite and earn system with two types of rewards. The first one is personal referral rewards. Every time someone registers using your link, you earn in-game cash. The more people you invite, the higher your tier, bronze, silver, etc. and the better the rewards. Number 2 is global milestone rewards. This is the best part. As the total number of pre-registration grows, everyone gets bonus rewards. Even if you only invited a few friends, milestones unlock heroes, diamonds, limited items, and more. There's also a separate 100,000 cross token campaign running until June 15. Pre-registering early gives you the best chance to benefit from these rewards. Here are some quick tips. Pre-register as soon as possible. Use an email you actually check. Save your invite link after you register. Pre-registration is completely free. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more update on Frost Kingdom. The pre-registration link is in the description and pinned comments. I'll also leave my referral link if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.